What's up guys, I'm Sean. Here's a quick DIY on how to change your fuel filter on your BMW E46 M3. And this is a fuel filter I picked up from BMW. Now we're at the glove box. Remove fuse number 54, the fuel pump fuse, and then we're going to cycle the core a few times to remove any kind of pressure. Get the car safely on jack stands. Now we're going to remove this cover to get to the fuel filter right there. Use an 8mm socket to take off these bolts. Pop off this cover. Now I'm going to remove the 8mm bolt holding up this plate. I just removed the transmission panel to get more access to this plate. And there's two 10mm nuts right there. Now I remove the plate. Eye protection on, and I also have a bucket to catch some fuel that's going to leak out. I have a 19mm open end, an adjustable wrench. We're going to loosen this nut right here. My wrench on the nut, I'm moving it up. So now it's loose. Now we're going to move this 10mm nut right here. Nuts off. So on the back side of the filter is a little tricky. This white clip, you have to push it towards the back and then the filter towards the front. So I'm going to use needle nose pliers. I'm going to push it in. Since I'm going to toss this fuel filter anyway, I just push that clip in and I just leveraged it so this part comes out. While the fuel is draining, I'm going to loosen this. If your copper washer is not too messed up, you can reuse it, or you can use a washer from the drain plug. So now I'm just going to screw it onto here. Before I tighten that side with a wrench, I'm going to snap this into place here, just like that. And of course the arrow is pointing forward towards the engine. Pretty straightforward since that screws in there. Now we're going to reinstall the bracket. I'm going to line this up a little bit so make sure it doesn't hit the chassis or anything. Now I'm going to tighten this nut with my 19. It doesn't have to be that tight, just snug, because you don't want to strip it. Alright guys, everything done. The new fuel filter's in. Reinstall the fuel pump fuse. Cycle the car a few times and start it. Make sure there are no leaks. If everything is good, then reinstall your panels. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to watch more. Thanks for watching.